So I want to explain to you first, before moving forward with my tips to boost your equity, I want to tell you exactly what equity is. So equity means is the difference between what your home is worth and how much you owe to the bank. So for example, you bought your house for $200,000. At the time, that's what you owed to the bank. Today, your house is worth $500,000. So let's say the 200 plus interest and whatever the bank is charging you will be $250. So the difference between $250,000 and $500, which is another $250,000, is called equity. So I'm going to give you some home equity tips to boost your home value. I don't know who needs to hear this, but not all home improvements are going to help you build equity in your home, okay? Even though you think it's like you're doing something great, maybe brand new, it's not all worth it. By all means, put your own touch on your home, but you've worked hard to get where you are, and you should make it your own, make it nice, and you can do whatever you want. I just want you to know that not all improvements are going to add value. What I'm trying to say is maybe a doggy door is very convenient. A front yard fountain is gonna be 100% calming, things like that. But things like a new air conditioner, okay, updated appliances, a roof replacement are always going to be more reliable as an investment for your home. And that is bottom line. I know that we try making our house very comfortable for our own needs. But if you're thinking of selling your home in the near future, just think about that. If you are planning on home improvements, on projects this fall, and would you like to, hear my thoughts on how they will impact your home's value, just DM me and let's jump on a call. I can tell you exactly what's in demand in your neighborhood, and that way you can make smart improvements that will return, it will be a return on your investment. Thank you so much for being here with me today. This is Natalia Echeverri with Coldwell Banker, and I will see you next week.